Telegram is a widely used messaging app known for its secure and fast communication features. However, some users may face issues receiving their verification code when signing in or registering. In this video, we'll share practical solutions to resolve this problem. First, double-check if the phone number you entered is correct. An incorrect number can prevent Telegram from sending the code. Make sure you input the correct country code, followed by your phone number without spaces or special characters. If everything is correct and you still can't receive the code, try checking your network connection. A weak or unstable network can interfere with receiving the verification code. Ensure that your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection is working properly. If needed, power off your phone for about 10-15 seconds, then turn it back on and try requesting the Telegram code again. A fresh reboot can help your phone reconnect to the network and allow you to receive the code. If the code still isn't sending, try disabling message filtering. To do this, go to the Unknown and Spam section in your message settings and turn off the Filter Unknown Senders option. Once you've done this, try requesting the code again. If none of these methods work, the issue could be with the Telegram app itself. Reinstalling the app might help. Additionally, using an outdated version of Telegram or your phone's operating system can cause issues. Check your App Store for any available updates for Telegram and ensure your phone system is up to date. After updating, try requesting the verification code again. You should also check if you can access Telegram on other devices. If you've logged in on another device, you might find the verification code there and can use it to complete the setup on your original device. If Telegram is blocked in your country, a VPN or proxy can provide an encrypted connection that helps bypass network restrictions. To further secure your multiple Telegram accounts, consider integrating proxies with Antidetect tools like AdsPower for the web version or Duo Plus for the app version. These tools help ensure account isolation and prevent detection, reducing the risk of bans or restrictions. If none of these solutions work, you can reach out to Telegram's support team for assistance. Fill out the request form on their official website and provide details about your issue. They can help troubleshoot problems related to your phone number and account access. We hope this video helped you resolve the issue. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.